Oh my god, the little baby. We are in Nairobi. This is the first time I've ever been to Kenya, the first time other than Tunisia that I've really spent any real time on the African continent. So this is awesome. It's currently 1:30 a.m. and we landed in Nairobi after midnight. We're only here for literally like 7 hours before we leave Nairobi to start our safari, and 5 of those hours are going to be sleeping, hopefully, because we're exhausted. They happen to upgrade us to a suite, so we have this humongous living room, dining table, and kitchen, which we will not be using. But the most gorgeous part of it is the main bedroom. This is the main bedroom, which has another living room. And then what I'm really excited about is this gorgeous bed. And these mosquito nets are very practical here in Kenya. But I remember when I was growing up, I always wanted a net over my bed. I just thought it was the prettiest thing ever. But my cats tore it up, so it was a short-lived dream. But I just think this is such a like oasis of a bed. And then the bathroom. Way better bathroom than I was expecting. Gorgeous tub, gorgeous shower, beautiful sink. There's a lot of water contamination concerns in Kenya, so my doctor like advised me to be very careful with the showers I take, like only get my body wet. Don't wash, if I'm gonna wash my face or like brush my teeth, use bottled water. So yeah, I probably wouldn't put this to that much good use anyways. That is our suite at the Palestina in Nairobi for literally just one night before we head off to an epic safari. We're gonna hit the hay now, and we will see you guys in the morning.
We have ourselves some cows, and they don't want to move.
So this is the construction where you see construction is going on by the Chinese company.
Our first of 4 COVID tests while we're here.
Asante sana.
Asante sana.
Yeah, that is, thank you very much.
Sometimes a different part of the world. I'm so excited. It's very cool.
Asante, no thank you. Bye. No. Nope. We are at the gate to Amboseli National Park. It's the first national park we're going to. We just spent like 10 minutes trying to get these women that were selling jewelry
They're
to just
Maasai.
leave us alone. Oh my god, like I feel bad, but like my mom did buy something and then they just wouldn't stop hassling us. But anyways, this morning was really great. We woke up, got ready pretty quickly, went down to breakfast. The breakfast turned out to be amazing.
Yeah, really delicious.
Like everything was made to order. The croissants were like so airy and delicious. We drove, it was only supposed to be like 3.5 to 4 hours. It's been like almost
like a lot
5
longer.
now. We
Oh
left
my
at
God.
10:45 and it's almost 4. His vehicle is apparently classified as a public service vehicle, and I guess there's some law in Kenya, like I can see a sticker on the vehicle that says like speed governor installed, which basically means he can't go over 80 kilometers an hour, which is like somewhere around 50 miles an hour. Oh my god, it's just so slow. I'm gonna need you to look away.
I
Thank
want
you.
to give her 500 for it.
You're not going to get change. You don't have 500. You only have 1,000. Mom, you already bought that one. Like, are you out
I
of
know
your
I did,
fucking
but it's
mind?
cute.
Shut
It's
up.
the only thing
Okay,
I
good
like.
thing you already have it. It is fucking cute. That's why you bought it. You already bought it.
Do you like it?
No, I'll never wear
Okay.
it.
No, Asante Sana.
Asante,
You're gonna be-
Asante.
You're gonna be sorry you don't have that.
I'm really not. I can promise you. Because whenever I have to think about it, I'll remember this and I'll get annoyed. This is our safari truck right now, which is humongous. But we have it all to ourselves and our driver, of course. Our driver's name is James. He's super nice, but he is currently inside at the entrance to Amboseli National Park doing who knows what. Mom has a conspiracy theory that he just hangs out in there and subjects us to this.
He's looking through the window, and when we've bought enough, then he says, "Oh, look, the forms are done. Let's go back out."
I am so glad we did like pay quite a bit to do this private tour, have a private driver, all that stuff. But driving today, I am so freaking happy that we did that, because driving, like, I've driven in quite a few different countries and I've never seen something quite as insane as the driving here.
And I would not recommend renting a car and doing it on your own.
There's a mama and the young one.
Oh, babies!
That's so cool.
Oh, I love you too. Don't run away. I love giraffes.
Our first view of wildlife. So it's 4:30 now. We're at the lodge, which is beautiful. And apparently they saved our lunch for us. So we're eating lunch now, and then we're gonna go for a game ride. And then we're also going to have dinner, I guess, which is great because I'm starving.
We had a great drive-in because all of a sudden we just started seeing animals.
Well, the first thing we saw was giraffes. That was like the very first thing we saw.
Giraffes. Oh my gosh, eating right next to the road. So we saw giraffes. We saw elephants in the distance, zebras, wildebeest, buffaloes, flamingos. There were monkeys, these weird Egyptian ducks they called them, and gazelles.
And the wildebeest running was so cool.
Oh, we had a little group of wildebeest running in front of us on the road, and they refused to leave the road. It was hilarious. Anyway, so very cool. And that's only our first day.
Not even just our first day, like literally our first 30 minutes in Amboseli. Like, we're going out for another drive after we eat right now.
Gosh, that gazelle is gone. Don't mind the way I look because I was just
on top of like a
On a
safari
safari.
truck, then you know, no big deal. So a little windswept, also covered in a layer of dirt. But we are finally in our room at Old Tukai Lodge in Amboseli. We didn't check in immediately because we just ate and went out on a safari ride, but here we are and it's awesome already. These are our 2 beds with another humongous mosquito net. Love the beauty and the practicality combined. And then you come back here. Got a kitchen. I don't know why I said kitchen. I meant sink and a pretty big shower. And then that is a full-on window. Hopefully nobody ever walks back there. Apparently it's vital that we keep our door locked because of the monkeys around here, which I'm a little bit shocked about. Like we went to Gibraltar, so I know monkeys are like grabby and stuff, but I'm shocked that they would like be able to open a door. So whatever they say.
Lovely morning.
See if he does something fun for the camera. Oh my god, the little baby.
Man, the lions should be feeding well. Of course, they have to catch them first.
Oh, wildebeest? They
strike
don't
me
seem
as
that
that
fast.
Yeah. Are they hard to catch for the lions?
These ones,
Yeah.
they're not all that hard for the lions.
What the heck?
Thank goodness we got to see them mate.
And just like that, it's done.
Jesus, I'm out of here.
Okay, so Mom apparently learned all about this cactus tree while I was asleep on the ride from
She
Nairobi.
was sleeping. I asked the guide what these were called because I thought they looked like cacti on top of the tree. He said they call them candelabra trees, so I looked them up and they're full of a milky substance that is quite toxic, poisonous. It's got like bacon fuzz on it.
Amboseli provides beautiful views of Kilimanjaro. They call it the life-giving mountain because water trickles down from the ice-covered peaks of Kilimanjaro and creates springs and swamps and lakes that provide for the wildlife and foster the biodiversity of Amboseli. It is our last morning in Amboseli National Park. We just shut our door at Old Tukai Lodge and we walked out to a buffalo.
Waiting to say goodbye.
Just chilling,
Chewing this cud.
surrounded by birds. Our final count for animals we saw here were like 14 or 15?
No, 16. More
16.
than if you count all the different birds, because we saw an eagle and we saw
Who knows?
ibis
That probably gets us to like 45,
Yeah.
but we weren't counting the birds.
Yeah.
But yeah, the bird life here is super cool if you're into that. But yeah, we're gonna head off and we're headed to
Tanzania.
Ngorongoro today.